Yes, all we bet now. Finally inside. All set. Good luck on your pick 5 choices. Stand by. Gates softened, rough and racing as expected. Expecto Patronum didn't waste time at the beginning, running by the hidden moment. Running in third, yes, all we bet, then followed over by June Taylor. Dragon Butterfly comes next, Manila Boy comes next, then followed over by Articulo Uno and Lollipop. Inside the half-mile distance, they running two runners, Parigral for the lead. Running by the hidden moment, raising Ori outside Expecto Patronum. Running in third is Dragon Butterfly, then followed over by June Taylor. Yes, all we bet, Manila Boy. Inside the last 600, 3 runners, Parigral for the make it 4 runners, Parigral for the lead. Moving up now is Dragon Butterfly to take the lead. Running now in second, June Taylor, shuffle back to third, yes, all we bet. And as they turn for home, Dragon Butterfly still letting the field. June Taylor is already outside. Yes, all we bet, Manila Boy is in third. And down the stretch they come. Dragon Butterfly now starts to draw away by about 4 lengths, followed by June Taylor. Yes, all we bet, Manila Boy. And nearing the finish line, it's Dragon Butterfly, June Taylor, Manila Boy. Yes, all we bet, Lollipop, Articulo Uno, Expecto Patronum, and Hidden Moment comes in.
Ayan. The unofficial